So, I'm not sure why I'm making this video, or even what I'm gonna talk about, but, hi, I'm Brooke, and I'm bored out of my mind, and I don't know what to do. So I figure I'll come and talk to you people on YouTube, and something will come to me, some sort of philosophy about something, how to make a sandwich properly. Like, that could be an ongoing debate. Who knows how to make a sandwich the right way? Hi, Pa. So it's the day after Christmas. And all through the house, creatures were stirring, especially the mouse. Don't know what else to say. I could seriously turn this into a singing video. Let's do it. See ya. I'll make it, and then I'll upload it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. See ya.